All right, y'all, spring is just around the corner, and if I have to eat cake, I want it to be lemon. So I am going to show you how to make the most delicious lemonade raspberry cake. So follow along. Starting with my first layer of cake, I'm going to get a good scoop of buttercream. I am going to smooth this out. And then once I get it smooth, I will take my offset spatula and just take away the icing in the middle. So I want to smooth it out, making a dam. Just making sure I have a good ledge of icing. And then I can take my raspberry filling and put a good amount inside, spreading out, taking my top layer, putting it on top. And then I want to make sure to get the sides iced really nice and tight so none of that filling comes out. And then I am going to get this in the freezer to chill for a long time. I want this to be nice and sturdy to decorate. My cake is out of the freezer, so now I'm just going to ice it as normal, starting with the top. Okay. Now that my cake is iced, I am just gonna go back and put in a little bit of texture. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of buttercream on the edge of my bench scraper, just putting in a little bit of a random texture. Nothing specific, just a little movement. I am going to take just a little bit of buttercream I have left, and I am going to mix it with a little bit of the jam I have. And then I'm just gonna take this and kind of put it a little bit at the bottom just to have a little bit of color. And once the bottom is done, I am going to pick where I want the front. I am going to slice just thin slices all the way down. And then once I have my slices, I can go along and just cut this rind off. And then when I take it, I have this really cute peel that I can twist and put anywhere on my cake. I have a little lemon slice on the side here. And then I am just gonna cut a few raspberries to sit along with it. At the top left, I am just gonna make kind of a little mound of a half moon with my raspberries, kind of arranging them to come down and around. And then this is where I can take my little lemon peels and just tuck in so that they stay in our little pile. So I will just arrange this and then we can see if we need any more finishing touches.